I'm here with you, making sure you're comfortable. I'll start with a gentle back rub to ease your muscles. I take your hand and let my fingers glide along your back. I press my palms against your shoulder, relaxing the tension. Can you feel the smoothness of the massage oil? Now, I'll use a warm compress. I place the warm compress on your chest. It's gentle and comforting. I'll keep your back warm with a soft towel. You can feel the light warmth. I'll let you rest for a moment. Can you feel the rain outside? I'll hold your hand. It's warm and reassuring. Now, I'll do a light stretch. I move my arms slowly, letting the stretch flow. I'll pause to breathe with you. We inhale together, exhale slowly. You're doing great, love. Do you want me to read something softly? I'll whisper a short poem about night and peace. The moon is a soft coin in the sky, reflecting calm. It whispers, "Rest now, dear, your dreams await." I can hear the rain grow louder, like applause. Let's dim the lights further. All set. Feel the darkness like a blanket. I'll sit beside you, keeping you warm. I lay a blanket over you, wrapping you in soft warmth. Hold on to me. Let the night cradle us. Can you feel the soft thud of the rain against the roof? It's a steady heartbeat. Now, I'll play a gentle drum beat. Let the rhythm sync with your breath. We're almost at the end of the night. I'll wrap a soft towel around your head, the gentle pressure like a kiss. I'll tuck you into the blanket, smoothing it over your shoulders. All safe. I'll whisper, "Good night, love." Let the night lull you into dreams. I'll stay in the corner, keeping you from waking. The rain has stopped. The sky is clearing. You're drifting deeper. Sleep well, dear. I'll be here. Good night. I'll keep watching over you. I'm here, humming a final tune. Sweet dreams. I love you.